Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Lipstick on More. My name is Jyoti, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Today I will be unboxing my September Allure beauty box. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I hope everything is okay. Not quite sure what happened. It wasn't me. Alright, let's open this up and see what's in here. Hopefully everything is okay. As usual, it comes with this really nice pamphlet which describes all the products and sometimes gives prices as well. I do really love how Allure Box is always wrapped in tissue papers. So nice. Now let's see, what is this? Dry Conditioner Instant Moisture. Conditions dry hair to control frizz. Oh! It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and you shake it. What is the price of this? I wonder if this has the price anywhere. There's no price listed for this anywhere, but alright. So you just shake it and spray onto ends and brush through. So, alrighty. It smells good. I've never ever used a dry conditioner for moisture. That's kind of weird. I thought the point of dry shampoo I thought was if your hair is too oily, then you apply the dry shampoo to make it less oily. Now this is something called a dry conditioner. So it's supposed to control a frizz. It conditions dry hair to control frizz. This is an interesting little change from what Allure Box usually has. I've never seen anything like this. I've mostly seen skincare. There's a brush in here from e.l.f. That's strange. That is really strange. I was not expecting a brush from e.l.f. It's an e.l.f. brush worth $4. Why is it in my nice Allure box? I don't understand. I have to say, I don't know. The last two boxes that I got from Allure were pretty high-end skincare stuff, and this box I got dry conditioner and an e.l.f. brush. But it's a nice brush. It's super soft. No complaints about this brush. It is really nice, super soft, and it is a highlighting brush. You know, sure, I could use another highlighting brush. Why not? Alright, well, what else is in here? Now we have a mini in here, and this is a mini SPF 50. The sunscreen does everything, blends into skin tones. So it blends in on all skin tones, they're saying. It actually makes my skin noticeably softer and smoother after I put it on. This is even more impressive considering that it's a mineral formula with zinc and titanium dioxide. Perfect for me as a nursing mom cream. Let's see how this is what it looks like. I like the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen. Actually, it's blending in pretty well. It's not leaving any white cast. I mean, it's definitely brightened my skin a little bit, and you can see it's a little bit shiny. So, actually, not bad. And there's no strong smell. It's a good cream, I guess. What else is in here? So this is Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara by Wander Beauty. That's pretty nice. And this one is priced at $24. So that's good. At least we got something that is, ooh, and the wand is the curved wand. I really like the curved wands. I remember this blue container CoverGirl mascaras many years ago. It was so good. I used to just use that mascara, and it had a curved wand, and I loved it. All right, I can't test it out right now, but this is pretty good. And then we have this Twist Up eyeliner from Cleo Noir, and eyeliner is priced at $18. Now I'm not sure if this is the mini sample version and if the regular eyeliner is bigger than this. I mean, this is a decent size liner. It's not, ooh, is it purple? Alright, why am I getting a purple liner? Why? I mean, I'm sure I could use it in the fall. It's nice, but normally people don't use purple liners, only like if you want to be super creative and fun for some reason. But it looks nice though, not bad. It's not super gel-like, so I would think that it won't smudge. I think this is gonna be a good liner. I'll have to test it out, and I will leave it on my stories on my Instagram at Lipstick on More. This is your normal Allure Box stuff. Nice skincare. This is, let's see what's the price for this? $64. This is your high-end cream. And it is Elemis Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. Are you serious? It's a cleansing balm, which whatever the regular size is, it's worth $64 for something that's literally gonna be washed down the drain. This is what the review says. I thought I knew how to remove my makeup, but now I'm rethinking all the scrubbing I used to go through. The game changer. This cult classic cleansing balm. I started by warming the hydrating algae and shea butter formula between my fingertips until it becomes an oil. Ooh. Then I gently massage it over my face. With water, the balm transforms into a milky cleanser. Ooh, it's magical. And I can see my makeup melting away. Melting, the makeup cries. No, it didn't say that. You can simply rinse with several splashes of water, but I prefer to wipe everything off with a damp, warm washcloth. I like that too. I feel like a damp washcloth works really well in removing makeup. Not only does it whisk away grime, this balm also moisturizes with a nice essential oils. It actually sounds pretty good. So, and it sounds quite magical because starts off as this balm looking thing, it turns into oil, and then as you're washing, it somehow also turns into a milky cleanser. So, ooh. It is just like as if it was some sort of lip balm. And they said if you rub it between your fingers, it kind of turns into oil. That's an interesting scent. It smells like those pain balm type of balms, you know, like we have something called a tiger balm. Kind of actually has that pain balm kind of feel and scent into it, but it is a little bit better. Like it is a little bit more citrusy than your typical pain balms, which are more minty and super strong. But it sounds wonderful actually. I mean, I wouldn't buy the regular product at $64, but I am going to enjoy using this at this size. I'm actually excited to try it out. Hi guys, I'm actually in my bathroom and I really wanted to try this out. And just in case you don't get to go to my Instagram, I wanted to insert this little clip in here to see how well this works. It says it turns into like oil. Ooh, it is turning kind of foamy. I mean, it looks pretty like frothy. Here's the makeup. It's pretty good. Feels really minty on my skin. Yeah, so which means if you have sensitive skin that turns red, then I'm not sure if this would be a good one to use because it is kind of tingly on my skin. When you mix it with water, it kind of turns into this milk. Oh, look at that. It really literally feels like milk running down my arms. Interesting. There you have it. Your magical cleansing balm. So I'm done washing my face. My skin feels really good. It feels soft, but it doesn't feel like silky smooth. It has not left my skin feeling dry at all. Usually right after I wash my face, I'm like, oh my god, I need to apply the moisturizer. I can actually feel my skin drying out. But my skin actually feels pretty soft. Just feels good. It's nice and soft. Alright. The last thing we have here is the Soothing Aloe Sheet Mask. I feel like they always include a sheet mask in here. And this is priced at $14.20 for 10 of them. So it's about $1. So overall, out of all of these, I am actually excited to use the Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. It sounds like a lot of fun. I am curious to see how this expensive mascara works out. I love getting high-end mascaras in here because they're like at least $20 and this box was $19. So I feel like I'm getting my money's worth. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm also looking forward to using this eyeliner because I hope it comes out good. I hope it doesn't smudge. Elf brush, whatever, dry, conditioner, whatever. Sunscreen, I have a little mini one. I mean, it's nice, but I just don't remember being amazed by it when I had it many months ago. So, but it did blend in nicely. I have all these liners on my hands, but if you just ignore that, it blended in pretty nicely, and it doesn't seem like that it would leave any sort of white cast. So this was my September Allure box. That's it. That's it. So, I mean, I was not super impressed compared to the other Allure boxes that I had. I feel like the other Allure boxes had a lot of interesting skincare, and at that time when I was opening the boxes, I was like, oh, I wish there was more makeup in it. But now that I have the BoxyCharm, which came with a lot of makeup, I kind of want Allure to go back to skincare, because then I can have one box geared more toward high-end skincare, and then I can have another box geared more toward makeup. So this one is a little disappointing, but I think the cleansing balm is going to be really fun, and I am excited to try out the mascara. So I will wear test it and leave it on my Instagram at Lipstick and More. So make sure you check out my Instagram. This is it. This was the September Allure box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for patiently watching me open this box and show you the products. It's always interesting to discover new products, to learn about new products, and also really interesting to see how crazy priced some of these items are. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click that like button, leave me some comments, tell me about your subscription boxes. If you're subscribed for the Allure box, how did you feel about the Allure box for September? Were you happy with it, or were you like, eh? How do you feel compared to the previous month's Allure boxes? And if you don't have the Allure box, perhaps you have another subscription box. Tell me all about it. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye. By the way, this shadow is from the BoxyCharm. It was this palette from Hip Dot called Zion. I love this palette. It's so nice. Thumbs up. Done. Done. But these are from India. I can match a necklace with it too. Let me show you guys. Wait. Here is this beautiful necklace with it too. Wow. I mean, it's really fancy, but it matches the fancy Indian dresses. So my mom got it for me from India many years ago. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, mommy. Bye.